Welcome to Foglight Video Solutions. This video will cover how to set up a new MongoDB agent into Foglight. My name is John Sakalauskas, and I'm a technical product specialist with the Foglight team. Foglight for MongoDB will run as a native Foglight process, leveraging the Foglight Agent Manager for communications with the agent. Foglight for MongoDB can be run locally as an agent on the host or remotely as an agent on the FMS or proxy server. The MongoDB agent requires database user credentials with certain minimum privileges in order to be able to fully monitor the server and cluster. All users should be created on the admin database. The roles needed for the user will depend on the MongoDB version. For MongoDB 3.0 and later, the cluster monitor and read any database roles are required. For versions prior to MongoDB 3.0, the cluster admin, DB admin any database, and read any database roles are required. Also ensure that all firewalls and network configurations allow the machine running the Foglight Agent Manager to access the host of each monitor server at its configured port. To install a new MongoDB agent, log into the Foglight Management Console. Choose the Expert view to access the main menu. From the navigation pane, select Dashboards, Administration, Cartridges, Cartridge Inventory. The cartridge inventory screen appears. Load the .car file by clicking the Install Cartridge button and then the Choose Files button to browse to the location where the .car file exists. Select the file. Leave the Enable on Install checkbox checked. Click the Install Cartridge button to install the cartridge. Once the installation is completed on the Foglight Management Server, the updated cartridge will appear in the list below as an installed cartridge. After the cartridge is installed, you must deploy the new .gar agent package to each of your agent managers. Navigate to Administration, Agents, Agent Status. Click the Deploy Agent Package button. Click the checkboxes to select the agent managers where you want to deploy the new cartridge to. Then click the button labeled Next. Select the agent package to deploy to the selected hosts, and then click the button labeled Next. Click the Finish button to deploy the agent package. To create the new agent, click the Create Agent button. Click the checkboxes to select the agent manager where you want to create the agent, and then click the button labeled Next. Select the type of agent to create on the agent manager. Use the radio button to choose between using a generic name or to specify a custom name for the agent. Then click the button labeled Next. Click the Finish button to create the new agent. To configure the agent properties, select the checkbox for the agent which just created. Click the Edit Properties button. Click the link to modify the private properties of this agent. Fill in the connection information to connect to the monitor database. Once the agent properties have been updated, click the Save button and use the breadcrumbs to return to the agent status screen. Activate the new agent by selecting the agent checkbox and then clicking the Activate button. Select the database's dashboard to see the database agent listed. The agent will take 5 to 10 minutes for most of the data collections to show up in the dashboard, assuming the default collection intervals. To learn more about Foglight for databases, visit support.quest.com. For quick support questions, follow us on Twitter at QuestExperts.